To define uniform load cases and combinations for multiple models, you can use the combination scheme. First, create all necessary load cases in a model. Utilize the tables as one input option for this data. Combining the individual load cases can be done automatically in the program. Select the relative standard in the general data and activate Create Combinations automatically. Define additional combination options within the settings. All combinations are now available in the model. Then, turn off the automatic combination option. Under Tools, you can find the combination scheme where all combinations can be saved globally and accessed in other models. If you want to create multiple models with the same load cases and combinations, you can easily access this information with the combination scheme. Open the combination scheme again to transfer all load cases and combinations defined in the tables to the current model. The transfer is complete after clicking the second button.